Hi, I'm Greg Cottrell. I'm the founder and president of Rugged Radios. And today we're going to talk about pink radios. We have the results. But guess what? Before we get to the results, I'm going to talk to you about how we got there. Okay, I had this idea and I wanted to do a fundraiser. I wanted to do a fundraiser for cancer, because I know the month was coming. So you know what? I contacted Renee Hudson because she donates a lot of time and a lot of money to the Havasu Cancer Association. Well, you know what? So I called Renee and talked to her. You know what? This was special. She told me that the dollars that she raises goes directly to the people in her town. People come up on the street and give her a hug and thank her for helping them. Early detection is key. And you know what? This association, wow, I couldn't believe it. You can see the dollars in action. So we came up with pink radios. We did 100 pink radios, 99 on our website and 1 on an eBay auction. Well, you know what? Our website, it was crazy. October 1st, we had 10,000 people on our website at one time. We had 459 people trying to check out at the same second. It was crazy. Some people got radios, some people didn't. Some people were happy, there were some that were disappointed, but you know what? There was only 99. And you know what? Went crazy. Then we had one on an eBay auction. And Brian Caprera, he's an Ultra 4 racer. Thank you. We wish you luck in the upcoming Ultra 4 Nationals. And thank you for doing what you did. You were high bidder and got the 100 serial numbered pink radio. Thank you. Okay, so we did all this, but you know what? Donating the money. A lot of people give a portion of the amount to the fundraising. What I did was this. I gave 100%. The entire money for the pink radio, the shipping, the taxes, but guess what? If you ordered an accessory on your pink radio on that order, we had people that ordered a headset. We had people that ordered a helmet kit, all kinds of other items. You know what I did? I donated the entire invoice. Because you know what? This wasn't about Rugged Radios making money. This was about raising money for the foundation and bringing awareness. Now, this is something that we're going to do just once a year. So this isn't something that we're going to sell pink radios in the future, okay? Next year, we're going to contact Renee Hudson and our group of women racers like Kristen Matlock. She went through and took her radio that she purchased, put it up on an eBay auction, raised even more money and donated it to Renee Hudson. That was amazing. Those people, they're so special to us. Kristen, thank you very much for doing that. And you know, furthering our project, because it's about raising as much money as we can. It's not about us, it's about them. So we went through, did all this, it was crazy, and I've got some great numbers. I mean, I couldn't believe it. It was so much fun to do this, and we got $12,209.41. That's just amazing. You know how long that took? 99 radios on our website went in 13 minutes. Start to finish, some people had a hard time checking out. It was crazy. We've got to look into a bigger server, bigger things, because you know what? Next year, we're going to do this again. Because I want the pink radio, when you're out in the industry, you're out at the races, and you see somebody with a pink radio, you know it's special. That's why we did this. And next year, we're not going to pick the foundation. Our group of women racers, they're going to pick it. So I can't wait for 2019 to do this all over again. I just want to personally say, as the owner of Rugged Radios, thank you for participating. Every person that participated in this, thank you. And the people that were disappointed and they didn't get a radio, hey, I'm sorry, but remember, this was for a common goal and something great, and we really did something incredible. So thank you very much. Hey, in 2019, watch out for the next one and try again. Thank you for participating.